Hey everybody, this is Zach from Rebel 42, and today we're going to be going over body kits. If you're unsatisfied with the way that your golf cart looks or the body style on it, we do offer new options with different colors, and we'll be going over that now. So these are going to be some different colors that you have to choose from as far as your body. We're also going to be putting in different body styles with other color options. We'll be editing that in now. Last thing I wanted to show you today was a golf cart that has one of the new body kits already assembled, put together on it. I'll give you a close-up here so you can just kind of get a real visual on what it would look like in person. If you have any other questions about body kits or what we have in stock here, or you're interested in purchasing some, then you can contact us at 919-662-4200 or visit our website at www.rebel42.com.